biggest thing to take away from this is that your score is not the be-all end-all. You need to pay attention to your credit profile, and when you're building it, build intentionally so that you're putting the kinds of things in your credit report in place that are going to be attractive to a lender a year, 2, 3 years down the road. Let's say your budget for buying a house was $2,500 a month. For that same $2,500 a month, principal and interest, you can afford, with excellent credit as opposed to barely qualifying credit, you can afford over $120,000 more for the exact same monthly payment. I mean, that's a big chunk. That's an entirely different class of house. It's knowing the rules to the game so that you can play to win.
Credit pretty much rules everything around us. COVID really made me take a huge hit. I just want to say I'm very happy with the service, not only with the service, but the speed. He was able to clean up those little points for me so that I was able to get the funds that I needed on my next loan.
About 2 to 3 months, he was able to get my points over 100, 150 to get me where I needed to be.
In this industry, reliability is super important. Most importantly, their professionalism. So I highly recommend Steve for credit repair and the go-to person for credit services.
And that's all the results. I was sold, and I recommend them. Give them 5-star review.